make oversized tire valves in specialty markets, specifically the aircraft industry, the heavy equipment industry, the commercial truck industry.
The parts we make are critical. A lot of them have air-through passages, generally keeping tires inflated. A lot of examples we like to use is in the mining field or even in the military. You know, we don't want to have a tire go flat because of a faulty part of ours, leaving that vehicle stranded at any point in time.
Our customers have grown to expect and know that we're going to deliver an American-made product that's the best in the industry. Our biggest challenge was capacity planning and scheduling and on-time delivery. The machine shop was incredibly behind, and we were trying to do everything we could to serve our customers more quickly.
So prior to CERATIZIT, we had a pretty large lineup of form tools, which if worn, would generally have a lead time of about 6 to 8 weeks to replace. With CERATIZIT, we can generally have a turnaround in less than a week.
The project in the machine shop, we really started to try to quickly understand everything that we were currently capable of, and then quickly had to start evaluating what other options existed in the industry that could help us improve.
So when we came in and they had a kind of a chaos of existing form tools, specialized tools for each individual part, we were able to come in and help pare that down, sort the tools, identify what could be really discarded, and then what tools will take a little bit of effort on our part and their part to write the right program, to the standardized tooling. And now we're down to where we have some drawers, you know, a good selection of tools, but not a fraction of what they had before. We're the first call. A new part comes in and we need to generate this feature. What do you have? So it's nice being like that first phone call.
Before with this part was we had to face it with a V-style tool, and we had to drill it, then we had to bring a boring bar in, bore it, and then thread it. Right now, using the CERATIZIT EcoCut tool, I'm able to face it, cut the OD, drill it, and bore the ID all in one process. It's taken the place of 3 tools. It's one tool doing the job of 3 tools. It's basically a finished part when it comes out of this machine. It's done. The overall benefit is that we've gained a lot of time. Now 30 seconds may not seem like much to a normal person, but when you're making 9,000, 10,000 parts, 30 seconds adds up to hours and days. We don't have as many tool changes. The tools actually run a little bit faster than what the previous tools we were using on it. And these tools have wiper inserts, so we have a nice glass-like finish at a high feed rate.
Our previous tools, the longevity of the tools was, I would like to say, hardly there. With this style tooling, it being modular and indexable, we have a lot of carbide inserts, carbide being a lot stronger than our high-speed steel series tools. We get a lot more use, a lot more precision cuts with the finer tips than we would in our historic tooling. A previous example we had probably a couple years ago is that the chips had actually clumped up in there to the point where the part physically kind of exploded. To correct that, what we've done is we moved forward using a jobber style drill with multi-flutes, and using a pecking cycle, we've been able to evacuate chips per flute and pull retract to bring all them chips out to alleviate all the heat inside the part.
Through our leadership team's ability to understand and recognize that we could provide a great service to the NFL, we partnered with the NFL to build a standardized inflation system that not only is what the teams are going to be using, you know, equipment managers and during practice, training camp, and throughout the season, it's also the official NFL unit that is being used on game day to test all of the footballs.
We've had great success working with CERATIZIT. Anything we've thrown at them and any issue we've come across, whether it be a new part, a historic part, they've always come to our aid and had a tool ready for us to use. If they didn't have it, they knew where to get it.